Costello Great Missenden here. Today I'm going to be spatchcocking a chicken. It's just a short video. It's going to tie in with another video I'm doing in a minute. I'm going to cook it on the barbecue. Put it in a link below, so have a look at that. Right, to do this process we're going to need a couple of things. Got a pair of kitchen shears, very good, and some sharp knives as well, just in case, mainly to trim all the sinew and fat away after the bird's been split. So I'll get it out and show you how it's done. Right, so here you can see the bird's out of the packaging. Not a big bird, just 1.4 kilogram. So the first thing we're going to do is give it a bit of a pat down, dry it off a little bit. That's going to be seasoned up later. Just a bit of multi-purpose rub. Now that's all dry. To spatchcock a chicken, what you got to do is flip the bird over. Stick your fingers in and you'll feel the backbone there. You see that? So we get the shears. Just cut along the backbone. Nice and easy down one side. Can be a bit tough. This one's not too bad. So that's the first part done. Now we can see the backbone here. Let's cut along the backbone again. This is a nice and easy process. It's going to make the bird cook really fast. A lot faster and a lot more even. So there's the bird's spine. It can be put aside. Now we just flip her over like that. And trimming off any excess we don't want that bit. So that can go away as well. And we just give a little bit of pressure on the breast, like so. Just to push it down, bring it back round, and then just trim off any skin you don't want. I don't really want that. Or this piece really. Or anything like this. Just to make it neater. And a little bit more tidy. So got some blood in there, but that's okay. Now what you can do as well, some people find the wishbone, but all I've done is break it, so it matters not really. There's two ways of doing it. I like doing it this way because it's quick and easy. So that's how you spatchcock a chicken. Job done. Costello Great Missenden, quick video. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe to the videos. People love going. Thank you.